Welcome to QuizCoop. If you are new in my channel, then subscribe. Today's topic: historical flags of Mongolia. So let's start it. Xiongnu Empire, 209 BCE to 93 CE. The Xiongnu Empire flag is a simple yet powerful symbol representing one of Mongolia's earliest and most influential tribes. This flag features a bold, geometric design, embodying the strength and unity of the nomadic warriors who dominated the steppes. Gokturk Khaganate, 552 to 744. The Gokturk flag showcases intricate patterns and symbols, reflecting the sophisticated culture and advanced society of this early Mongolic state. Its vibrant colors and detailed motifs illustrate the Gokturk's significant contributions to the region's history and heritage. Uyghur Khaganate, 744 to 840. This flag highlights the Uyghur Khaganate's distinct identity, featuring motifs that symbolize peace and prosperity. The elegant design and harmonious colors reflect the Uyghurs' flourishing civilization and their influence on Mongolia's cultural development. Liao Dynasty, 916 to 1125. The Liao Dynasty flag, with its majestic dragon emblem, signifies power and imperial authority. Representing a period of expansion and consolidation, this flag symbolizes the dynasty's control over Mongolia and its integration into the larger Chinese sphere. Mongol Empire, 1206 to 1368. The iconic Mongol Empire flag, adorned with the Great Khan's Damgha, signifies conquest and unification under Genghis Khan. This flag symbolizes the vast empire that stretched across Asia and Europe, leaving an indelible mark on world history. Yuan Dynasty, 1271 to 1368. The Yuan Dynasty flag features the imperial Chinese dragon, signifying the Mongol rule over China. This flag represents the synthesis of Mongol and Chinese cultures, highlighting the dynasty's influence on both regions during its reign. Northern Yuan Dynasty, 1368 to 1635. The Northern Yuan flag continues the legacy of the Mongol Empire, with symbols representing resilience and continuity. This flag embodies the Mongols' efforts to preserve their heritage and sovereignty in the face of external challenges. Dzungar Khanate, 1634 to 1758. The Dzungar Khanate flag features intricate designs reflecting the Khanate's rich cultural tapestry. This flag represents a period of Mongolian resurgence, emphasizing the Dzungars' role in shaping the region's political and cultural landscape. Bogd Khanate, 1911 to 1924. The Bogd Khanate flag symbolizes Mongolia's brief period of independence from Qing rule. With its bold colors and national symbols, this flag marks a significant chapter in Mongolia's quest for self-determination and national identity. Mongolian People's Republic, 1924 to 1992. The flag of the Mongolian People's Republic, with its socialist motifs, represents a transformative era in Mongolia's history. This flag signifies the nation's transition to a socialist state, reflecting the political and social changes of the 20th century. Modern Mongolia, 1992 and now present. The current Mongolian flag, featuring the Soyombo symbol, represents the nation's sovereignty and rich heritage. This flag embodies Mongolia's modern identity, combining traditional elements with contemporary values, and marks its place on the global stage. Buryat Mongol Autonomous Soviet Socialist Republic, 1923 to 1944. The Buryat Mongol ASSR flag, with its Soviet symbols, represents the region's integration into the Soviet Union. This flag highlights the influence of Soviet governance on Mongolia's neighboring regions and their shared historical experiences. Tuva People's Republic, 1921 to 1944. The Tuva People's Republic flag reflects the unique cultural identity and political aspirations of the Tuvan people. This flag represents a short-lived independent state that played a significant role in Mongolia's broader historical context. Kalmyk Autonomous Soviet Socialist Republic, 1935 to 1943. The Kalmyk ASSR flag, adorned with Soviet emblems, signifies the Kalmyk people's place within the Soviet Union. This flag represents the intersection of Mongolian and Soviet histories, highlighting the diverse cultural influences in the region. Thank you and don't forget to subscribe my channel.